Hey guys, welcome to Filamchi. This is Nitin. Today we are talking The Boys, one of the best shows of last year. I was hooked completely to season 1. I think मैंने straight up binge कर दिया था. I just watched the first episode at like 12:30 AM or something Friday night, and not the weekend it came out. जब एक बार hype बन गया था उसके बाद, and I just binged it straight through. And then I watched the season again once with my brother later in the year. So one of my favorite shows. I know second season एक अलग तरीके से हमें मिल रहा है. We're getting a weekly thing after the first 3 episodes, and that is why I'm going to talk about how I feel about the second season as a whole at this point, 5 episodes in later. But उससे पहले just this episode का some key highlights I want to talk about, and that's how I want to get these reviews done. Those key highlights, and then how I feel about the whole season as a whole. And this episode came yesterday. I'm not putting out the reviews on Friday जब आता है, not because मैं देखता नहीं हूँ उस दिन. It comes at 5:30 AM IST I think, और मैं 6:30 बजे सुबह देख लेता हूँ. मेरी 7:30 कॉल होती है ऑफिस की, उससे पहले make sure I watch it, because the last thing I want to do is कि मैं दिन में कभी scroll कर रहा हूँ सोशल मीडिया और किसी ने मुझे spoiler दे दिया, because I'm sure कुछ होने वाला है अगले बचे episodes में. So I make sure I watch it the first thing in the morning when it's released here. But I want to digest them before I share my thoughts, because I think the way we are getting this season is unlike last season जो एक पूरा end-to-end narrative था. Now we are getting bite chunks with more character arcs and more time to think about it. So that's how I want to do it, right? So now, without further ado, talking about this episode, I loved the opening. I just loved the opening. I mean, that was peak Boys जो उन्होंने Marvel का the Avengers movies और a lot of DC movies and all को जो उठा के they made the whole thing how we see it. I mean, the girls get it on scene was cold, because मुझे Avengers Endgame का scene याद आ रहा था where they might as well have actually said it जब all those female superheroes were coming together. A lot of those subtle nods, Phil Coulson जैसे character था, those green screen में those aliens work. You're just reminded of the superhero movie culture and everything that we've seen over the last decade, and we've loved it. But अगर वो real life पे होता और ये लोग जैसे हैं वैसे होती, like with the real actors, with the parts, so that make believe world, the whole USP of Boys, I think that whole thing was completely captured first scene में. Homelander was gold first scene. In fact, I would say everything of Homelander in not just this episode but this season has been peak Homelander. I have not been disappointed with his moments in arc as of now. बहुत अच्छा exploration था. And that scene जहाँ पे oh, by the way, spoilers, of course, everything's gonna be spoilers there. I mean, that's the whole point of these weekly episodes, I think. जो episode the part where he does the laser thing with the audience, I didn't think it was in his mind, and now looking back मतलब सोचना चाहिए था, but I was just thinking, oh shit, अब कहाँ जाएगा? For that like 10 seconds there were like 3 scenarios in my mind कि how are they going to cover it up, क्या सब लोग अब इसके against हो जाएंगे and all that. And the last thing I thought was कि this would be like a a make believe, जो हमेशा movies में they do that trick. But it was gold, right? So everything Homelander I completely love. Coming to the other characters, The Boys, to be honest, I mean, Kimiko और Frenchie एक अलग side quest पे थे इस पे, or like whatever her hitman thing. I found it odd, not that those scenes like her peeling off her face, that was bloody cool, but I was not into the whole thing. I mean, it just came out of the left field. I understood her intentions and like her character motivations, why she would do it, but I also understood everything why people did in the Game of Thrones like last season. I understood why Khaleesi did what she did, but the execution and just coming out of the left field is what sometimes doesn't connect. Something like that happened here. Not that it was that level of atrocious, but it was just odd. I hope they find the Frenchie Kimiko thing, like where it's going. I hope they know it. But coming to the other guys, MM, Huey and Butcher, I thought it was, the whole thing was fun with the Black Noir wala pura segment, Huey Butcher finding another way back into life, almost suicidal moves वापस आना, like Huey का भी saw third episode में. I thought that was cool, the whole canary thing, and he having a little brother and all was cool. Him having a dog, like that dog was bloody cool. I've heard he's like a big part in the comics. That was all good, nice, fun stuff. The A-Train, Maeve stuff, and with all the Scientology thing, like the church of the collective thing happening with the Deep, I think all of them are coming together to maybe take Homelander down later, is what I'm getting a vibe of कि वो सब अब combine हो रहे हैं उसको लेने के लिए, because they know Homelander की capabilities. all of that good, nice fun. I'll come to what I did not like about this episode, and that's the very end, not the last scene. That of course I loved like everyone else, because we all have wondered late nights how would a superhero BDSM scene look like. We got the answer, but not that part. The part before it, the resolution of the Black Noir whole thing, where Butcher bluffs that he has the photos of his wife and child, and like he'll leak them, and the Watt guys believe it. I mean, just the Watt guy. I'm skipping his name in the show, but for me, Gus Fring always he believes him. I thought that was a cop out, right? I mean, there are many ways how someone at his position, I think Edgar is his character's name, how he would handle it, rather than just believing and making this deal kick, I won't touch you and this never sees the light of the day, without even proof of it. So that was a cop out, and that just looked off to me, and that just took me out the whole episode almost, and it made me contemplate, like, do they even know what they're doing, or is it just because to make those character beats? And in fact, that got me thinking, did they always know कि episode wise वो release करने वाले हैं, and that's why हर episode का resolution is a very clean cut thing, and अगले episode के लिए थोड़े से trails डाल के छोड़ देते हैं, because I don't know season 1 कैसा था, right? We've watched it end to end as one narrative. यहाँ पे हर के बाद we are getting a break after the first 3 का chunk. So that's also a thought that came to mind कि उनको राइटिंग के टाइम पता था क्या कि यहाँ पे एंड करना है, तो अभी यहाँ पे बुचर का पूरा कैरेक्टर आर्क दे देते हैं इस एपिसोड में, एंड देन 6 से कंटिन्यू करेंगे. सो आई डोंट नो, but that led me to the question that I think a lot of people are asking themselves, is it as good as season 1? And I've been discussing it with my friends yesterday. I think people are divided, at least my friends are. Some of them think it is, some of them think it's not. In my view, I think it's at par, right? Because again, Homelander is the John of the show, and उसका अभी तक सब कुछ is sorted, and Stormfront के आने के बाद it's only gotten better. So I think it's definitely on par. But ये weekly वाला चीज is also, I'm also not that much on board, and I know this was the conventional way always, but अभी जो we've been spoiled completely with the binge culture, and especially a show जिसका तुम season 1 पूरा binge कर चुके हो, right? तो उसका भी season 2 parts में लेना, it's just it's harder to digest. It's still pretty close to its peak in my opinion, but ये वीकली वाली चीजें हिट कर रही हैं, then you can see those cracks happening, like the Kimiko Frenchie thing and the resolution of the whole Black Noir Butcher वाला scene इसमें. तो those things start to come up. I don't know season 1 में भी अगर ऐसे cracks थे या plot lines थे जो और सोच सकते थे, but since वो खत्म होते ही next episode वहाँ पे बाहर आके शुरू हो जाते, you never think about this stuff. It's whole a collective experience. जो भी इस बार नहीं हो रहा, we are getting bite chunks of it that we are discussing and all, which is great. How Game of Thrones happened for those many years. So I'm not satisfied. I'm like not criticizing the weekly thing. I'm just criticizing, and I'm not even like criticizing. I'm just thinking through कि अब ऐसे digest करने में maybe we are seeing more cracks this season, or are there more cracks this season with the rating? So that's something I'm thinking. But like otherwise, still everything's top class. I mean, Anthony Starr as Homelander is still just show stealer and all. Still completely in, but that core question of is it as good as season 1, in my view till now yes, but we have to see next 3 episodes में क्या होता है. And what I have been hearing, like all the screeners been out with all the critics and all, and what I've been reading and all is कि episode 6 is going to be the bomb. So the upcoming episode is going to be the best one of the season apparently, with all the things going down and the action and stuff. So really looking forward to it. Of course, love the show, love Boys end to end. But tell me, what do you thought about this episode, this season? Where do you see it being headed? Let me know in the comment section. Well, happy to talk about The Boys always. We'll see you next week with this one, and see you in the next video. Till then, keep filming.